Attention everyone. I'm here to make an announcement for a new Marvel superhero that should be added to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. There is this hero called Songbird. Her real name is Melissa Joan Gold. Used to be a criminal called Screaming Mimi until she met Giant Man, aka Bill Foster, Kazar, The Thing, Captain America. Received vocal enhancements from Power Broker Incorporated. Joined Helmut Zemo, Masters of Evil. She joined the Thunderbolts, pretended to be heroes, which made her want to be a real superhero. She became the warden of the maximum wing of the raft. Her powers are she can produce sonic screams, wears a harness that turns sound waves into energy. Her sonic wings enable her to fly. The villains she fights are Scourge, Baron Zemo, and his Masters of Evil, Claw, and the Thunderbolts. This hero is really great, and I believe she deserves to be part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. I recommend you talk to people about it in person, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Skype, TikTok, and video chat with people about it. Bye for now. Until next time I think of another Marvel superhero that should be added to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos on social media.